Okay, next problem. Ito na yung continuation. Pinutol ko na pala. So, if inverse sine of 3x minus 4y is equal to pi over 2, and inverse cosine of x minus y is equal to pi over 3, find the value of x. And then find the inverse sine of x minus y. Okay, so kapag nakakita po kayo ng values na ganito, pi over 2, pi over 3, naka-radian po yan, no? So, dapat kapag isa-solve nyo siya, naka-mode radian kayo. Na pinutin nyo lang to, mode, setup. Mali, na shift, mode. So, shift setup. Gagawin nyo lang rad. No? That is, magiging radian na siya. Therefore, the inverse sine of pi over 2, so yan ang naka-inverse sine. So, that is equal to, ano yun, napindot ko. Ay, sorry, isa sa inyo na pala, no? Kasi naka-inverse sine na pala. So, sorry. So, the sine of pi over 2 is 1. Therefore, the first equation is 3x minus 4y is equal to 1. Then, the cosine of, kasi inverse cosine, no? Para ma-eliminate natin yung inverse cosine, cosine natin si pi over 3. That is equal to 1 half. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 1 half. So, you have the two equations, two unknowns. So, what's the value of x and y? So, mode 5, 1. So, 3, negative 4, 1, 1, negative 1, 1 half. The answer is x is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 1 half. So, magkano to? This is 1 half and this is 1. So, what's the value of inverse sine of x minus y? So, that is the inverse sine of 1 minus 1 half. Therefore, magkano yun? Punta ka na sa calculus mode 1. The inverse sine of 1 minus 1 half, or the arc sine, that is pi over 6. Again, pagka radian yung ginagamit nyo, no? Radian yung makukuha. Ito yung mga bonus question, situational pa. Okay, next. Parang nasagot na natin to. Or, marami pa tayong sasagot na ganyan. Given triangle ABC. No? Ito yung probable triangle, no? So, kapag walang choices, no? So, isa-solve natin. So, yan. So, given the triangle ABC, that is talagay nyo na ABC. So, ang A is 40, ang side A is 12, side B is 14. Again, kapag may nakita kayo na two sides, no, you have the two sides, and then that not included angle, possible 1, 2, 3, no? 0, 1, 2. Dati kasi may nasagot tayo, last time, di ba may nasagot tayo na isa yung triangle na nabuo, given yung two sides, tapos yung not included angle. Meron din naman tayo two triangles, and then meron din tayong zero na nabuo. So, ito checking. So, ako i-suggest gamit ka ng C para madali siyang ma-solve. No? So, cosine law. So, A squared, so you have 12 squared is equal to C squared plus 14 squared. Na naalala nyo to, that is a squared, na? Ano yung formula natin? A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Na naalala yung cosine law na to? Ulit. Okay. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Na naalala yung formula ng cosine law? Minus 2 times 14 multiplied by c cosine of 40. So, dalawa yung value ng c natin dyan. C1 and C2. Kapag dalawa yung nabuo nating value ng c, ibig sabihin, two triangles. Okay. Double check nyo yan. No? Naka-radian pa siya. No? I-convert nyo sa degrees para di kayo mamali. Mode 5, 2, 3. Kasi quadratic, no? So, ano yung coefficient ng c squared? 1. Negative 2 times 14 times cosine of 40. Then, 14 squared minus 12 squared. That is equal to 18.663 millimeters. Units. Wala naman units na binigay. And the other side is 2.86. Therefore, two triangles. No? Kasi dalawa yung possible sides. Therefore, two triangles. So, ganun lang po ang pagbibilang. Pero, ayun nga, much better na sinasolve nyo siya using cosine law or sine law para malaman nyo kung ilan yung possible triangle na mabubuo. So, ayan. Kailangan mawalan ng signs. Okay, next. Given the properties of a triangle, so ito yung for 36, no? For 37, drawing ka uli ng triangle. Okay, so this is A, B, C. Okay lang magkapalit-palit, pero yung side hindi dapat, no? Kung ano yung naka-opposite sa kanila, yun yung italagay side, no? Dun sa angle. So, for number 37, A is equal to 24, C is equal to 19, C is equal to 34. Again, may nakita kayo na two sides and then not included angle. Pwede tayong gumamit uli ng cosine law. C naman yung binigay, so ma-formula natin C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. Naalala yung formula? We have 19 squared is equal to 24 squared plus B squared minus 2 times 24 times B cosine of 34. So, dalawa yung value natin. C1 plus, B pala, B1 plus B2. So, kapag dalawa yung dalawa, naglalag ako. So, kapag dalawa yung value ng B na nakuha mo, dalawa yung possible triangle. So, that is 1. Negative 2 times 24 cosine of 34. 24 squared minus 19 squared. That is equal to 33.346. And then the other side is 6.447. So, therefore, two triangles pa rin. Kasi two sides yung nabuo natin. Sige. Okay, kopya. Nagre-reply ko. Sige lang, wait lang. Hindi na nagtutla ako. Ayan, sige. Habang nagsisave, hello? Ano wala. Habang nagsisave, so number 38, given the properties of a triangle, 33, B is 24, and then C, so this is B, A, tama, then C. C is equal to 46. So, magkano si C? So, anong gagamitin natin? Sine law ulit. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. So, substituting C squared is equal to A squared 33 squared plus 24 squared minus 2 times 33 times 24 cosine of 46. So, magkano si C? Square root of. Now, pagka nag-square root ka dyan, naka-squared, positive, negative makukuha niya. 33 squared minus 24 squared plus pala, sorry. Plus minus 2 times 33 times 24 times cosine of 46. So that is equal to 23.763. Therefore, isa lang nakuha natin C, therefore 1 triangle. Okay, for number 39. Ang sabi, the two sides of a triangle ABC has side of 22 and ito ay mabuo na triangle. Ito ay mabuo. Two sides daw ay 22 and 8. 22 and 8. So, ano yun? Side AB tsaka AC. This is AB. Ano yung 22? AB and then AC. So, ano yung value? Possible X, no? So, actually, yung tanong dito, how many integers eh? Hindi ako nagkakamali. Pero, ito yung gagawin nyo, no? So, di ba, para makabuo tayo ng triangle, kailangan, yung two sides niya, pag pinagsama mo, mas maliit doon, no? So, for example, ito si, imagine natin, ito si 8 distance. Tapos, ito si 22 distance, no? Ano yung total length niya dito? Pagka ginawa mo straight, that is 30, no? Pero, kapag inangat mo siya dito, no? Para umigsi ito, iigsi siya. So, ito yung magiging less than 30, yung x, no? So, dapat pala, yung other side mo is less than 30 para makabuo ka ng triangle, no? Paano naman kung naging ganito yung itsura nyo, no? Ito si 22, imagine nyo ito 22, tapos ito si 8, nandito, clinip natin si 8. So, ang natitira mong distance dito ay 14. So, kapag ginamit mong side ay 14, hindi ka makakabuo. Makakabuo ka lang ng straight line. Hindi na naman siya ulit. Naglag pala. So, for example, no, ang tinatanong dyan ay, share, the two sides of a triangle are given. So, ano yung other side? So, kapag kukuha kayo ng, ba't nawawala? Ba't nawawala yung okay. Oh, ulit. Ah. So, for example, no, ito si side 8 mo. Tapos, ito si side 22. This is 8. Ba't nawawala? Now, okay. So, 822 wala ako sa momentum. Sorry. So, if 822, so for example, ginamit mo na third side, no? Ginawa mo straight line yan. Ginamit mong side is 30. So, kapag pinahaba mo pa ng pinahaba yan, hindi na magduduktong yan. So, dapat the third side must be less than 30, no? Para makabuo ng triangle. So, the other side is should be less than 30. What if naman ganito yung ginawa? Ito, tsaka to, this is 8, tas ito si 22. Pinatong mo ng ganon. Yung 8 na length na yon. No? Pag ginamit mo 14, or mas maigsi sa 14, hindi ka makakabuo, hindi magduduktong si 8, tsaka yung less than 14. Dapat, yung x mo dito, it should be greater than, ayan. So, this is greater than 14. Therefore, the possible side is greater than 14 and less than 30. So, yan yung mga possible sides. Hindi pwede si 14, hindi din pwede si 30 dahil hindi ka makakabuo ng sides. Hindi ka makakabuo ng triangle. No? Next. Number 40. Determine the number of possible triangle given by the data. Ay, ito. Maganda tong problem. So, for number 40, gawa ka lang ulit ng triangle. So, the possible side B is 22. C is 6. And then angle C is 35. B, C. Ay, joke. A. So, anong gagamitin natin? This is A squared. No? So, kapag dalawa yung nakuha mo na A squared, tama yung assumption natin. So, you have C squared is equal to B squared plus A squared minus 2AB cosine of C. So, C squared, that is 6 squared, is equal to 22 squared plus A squared minus 2 times A times 22 cosine of 35. So, magkano si A? A1, A2. So, that is mode 5, 3. So, that is 1. Negative 2 times 22 cosine of 35. Then 22 squared minus 6 squared. So, imaginary na makukuha nyo. Imaginary. Therefore, no triangle. Zero triangles. Ganun po, no? Kapag imaginary na po. Sige, may copy. Sige, next.